अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम। प्लीज हैव अ सीट। बैठे प्लीज।
अच्छा अच्छा।
हाउ आर यू?
हैं?
कैसे हैं आप? ठीक हैं?
हाँ जी, शुक्र अल्लाह।
If you have to face the problem like this and you can't speak English, then definitely you will feel disappointment. You will feel embarrassment. So it's better कि आप embarrassment feel करें. You will have to learn some English words, some short sentences which help you in your daily रूटीन ऑफ लाइफ और आप अपनी डेली कन्वर्जेशन में इनका जो है वो यूज कर सकें. Hello and welcome to all of you in my first session of English language course Learn and Speak English. We are going to start our first episode of this course. English is the language and every language has some rules and regulations. And if you want to speak English and if you want to be fluent in speaking English, then you will have to follow the rules and regulations for learning this language. One of my very close friends tells me, Naila, I want to speak English, but I couldn't speak in front of others and I feel helpless when I have to face this situation. Many people, like my friend, have to face this situation. But you don't worry. If you want to speak English, then I will help you in speaking English fluently. You will have to be proficient in 4 skills: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. If you get proficiency in 3 skills, first 3 skills, listening, reading, and writing, then you automatically start to speak English. Now let's talk about our first skill, listening. You know, listening is very important in learning English language. When you listen a word, when you listen a phrase, when you listen sentence, when you listen phrases, when you listen sentences, and when you listen a story, when you listen a web series, when you listen anything, it will enhance your vocabulary and it will tell you how to pronounce the words correctly. You have often seen when a man goes abroad, he starts to speak English and he is totally uneducated and he doesn't know how to speak English. But when he goes abroad, he starts to speak English. How is it possible? It is due to the atmosphere. Atmosphere makes him to speak English. When he listens English words again and again, it will help him to enhance his vocabulary and he will start to speak English. But unfortunately, we don't have atmosphere like this. So we will have to follow the rules and regulations for learning this language. In the process of learning English language, reading is also very important. Reading improves our brain connectivity and it will enhance our vocabulary and it also reduces stress. So you should read the books, magazines, newspaper, web series, whatever you want to read, you should read loudly. And reading will enable you to speak fluently, speedily, and expressively. Reading can also enable us to acquire and understand the necessary information and use it for decision making in our personal and professional life. Our next skill is writing skill, and writing skill is also very important in learning English language. Writing skill is the ability to communicate effectively and succinctly. Succinctly means very briefly, very shortly. To say something briefly but in a very effective way. So writing is also very important in this way. Writing skill will improve our vocabulary, grammar, punctuation, spelling, sentence structure, how to format a sentence, how to organize the words in a sentence. So in this way, it is very helpful in learning English language. It is rightly said, a good listener can be a good speaker. Then a good writer can be a good communicator. So writing is very important in learning English language because writing improves our grammar, vocabulary, punctuation, spellings, clarity, and sentence structure, how to format the sentence and how to organize the words in a sentence. So writing improves all these things, so it is very important in learning English language. Now I am going to talk about very important skill, and our whole English language course revolves around this skill. Yes, I am talking about speaking skill. Speaking skill is very important in learning English language. Speaking skill allows us to communicate effectively, and it gives us the ability to convey our message or information verbally in a way that listener can understand. When you get proficiency in three skills, listening, reading and writing, then automatically you will start to speak English, but practice is necessary. Everyone can speak broken words in English, but we are talking about how to be fluent in English. How can we talk fluently in English? Then I will tell you which things are necessary to speak English language. But those people who say grammar and vocabulary both are not necessary in speaking English or in learning process, they are wrong. Please avoid these people. They are misleading you, because grammar and vocabulary both are very necessary. English is not our native language, okay? We are learning a foreign language, so we will have to follow the rules and regulations to learn this language. Now let's talk about our first skill, listening. You know, when you listen the words, sentences or paragraph, then you should listen it with full concentration and feeling. ऐसा नहीं कि आपका जो कंसंट्रेशन है वो लाहौर, पेशावर और कराची है और आप यहाँ पर जो है वो इंग्लिश सॉन्ग सुन रहे हैं. आपको कंसंट्रेशन भी वहीं पे होना चाहिए जहाँ पे आप हो. ठीक है, तभी तो समझ आएगा कि पैराग्राफ में क्या कहा जा रहा है. You may take the help of audiobooks. Select a paragraph from this book and listen it again and again 5 times, 10 times, 20 times. But if you find some words are very difficult and you are not understanding the paragraph, then you may consult English dictionary. But if you are not familiar with English meaning, then you may consult Urdu dictionary, and after finding the meanings of these words, you will have to listen it 5 times more and then describe this paragraph in your own words. So today's assignment is you will have to listen 3 paragraphs, and after listening these paragraphs you will have to describe them in your own words, and if you find some words difficult, make a list of these words, and after finding out the meanings of these words you will have to describe these paragraphs in your own words. Okay. Practice makes a man a perfect. If you becomes a good listener, then you will become a good speaker one day, inshallah. See you tomorrow.